I got me a mimosa. They was handing them out for us at the front desk. I'm just checking out the grounds. Taking a stroll through the grapevines. I know y'all see them vines in the background right behind my head and her head. Them the things that's been getting me a little tipsies.
Tipsies?
Tipsies, yeah, tipsies. Yeah, I know it's tipsy, but it's tipsies to me.
You done had too many mimosas this morning.
Yeah. See them things in the back? I know y'all see us back again in the grapevine. Looking nice, don't it?
Look at that beautiful sunset behind us. Isn't that beautiful? The sun has set throughout the vineyards. That is where we're staying, right there. Napa Valley.
Check her out, y'all. She all up in them grapevines.
Trying to pick some grapes. Actually, they're pretty dry right now. I love the colors. The fall coming with the leaves.
Yeah. We walking the grounds of our resort. Oh yeah, we found Santa Claus. We found Santa Claus.
Didn't mean for you to hang up. I was just trying to say hi to them too. Hello. Ho, ho, ho.
Well, he was. What was he ready to give?
That's white wine.
Okay. What? Oh, that's red wine.
This is a champagne.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Yeah, you take glass of each.
Okay. All right. I'm just making sure.
Do you guys have anything planned for your stay?
No, actually tomorrow we're going to the castle.
I always hear good things about the castle. Okay. My mom's been saving up her little bottles from the castle. We have like 5 at the house. They're probably
Thank
like
you.
a year older.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, they go on. It's like, I feel like
So which one you hooked me up with?
Cabernet or Chardonnay, right? Would you like a little more as well?
Yeah. Her birthday tomorrow, so
Tomorrow?
yeah, yeah. walk over there with you.
Well, the dance is pretty.
Yeah.
Thank you. Of course. This one is for you.
Thank you.
You're
Appreciate
very
it.
welcome.
Thank you. So we are sitting here enjoying our complimentary wine and champagne. And this is the birthday girl's bottle.
And I'm the birthday girl.
And I'm not. She's trying to get her a birthday drink.
Let's do a lemon drop.
Lemon drop, you want it as a shot or in a martini?
And a martini.
Drink came out. There you go.
Lemon drop. Yeah.
My drink came out. Root beer. Good. My turkey burger came out. And her chicken quesadilla. And she said it looked so bomb.
Why you say it like that?
That's how you said it. How you say it then?
I said, I said, that looks bomb.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sonia. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
All right.
That's awesome.
Back to the resort. Just downtown Napa at nighttime.
Closing up.
They closing up. You saw what it looked like during the day. Where we ate at last night. On our way to breakfast. Today is November the 13th. My wife's birthday.
We're about to have brunch at Olive and Hay. Breakfast time. He may be doing lunch, but I'm doing breakfast.
Either you have it now or you won't have it.
See how my coffee came? Coffee, my spoon. This is my creamer. Look like a milk carton. There go this delicious food. Thank you. My syrup. Anything you want to say?
I am about to grab, fill my belly so I can have some more mimosas.
Was it good?
Delicious. Now my belly's full. Now time to go look around some more, take pictures, and head to the castle.
To the castle.
For the queen. Well, y'all, we made it to the castle. As you can see, real live castle for the queen.
We're gonna tour it in a minute.
Yes. Oh, look.
I wish I knew that thing name on the commercial. That ostrich, or whatever this thing is. Mimu, something. Would it be bowling?
Let me in. The queen has arrived. Yes. Let me in. The queen is here. The queen is here. The queen is here. Isn't this cool?
Nhìn nó giống như con lâu đài nữa. Older of the 14th century. While
Two
the
different
others are
styles of bricks coming out of Europe.
Yeah, but
And literally on the hill of the castle grow vines of the Cabernet.
So that building over there
Yeah, it must have been pretty
caught on fire in
bad,
2020 when the Napa Valley
Now it is
fire.
under renovation, and it will be soon again our new warehouse. And also they will build our new offices. Oh, it's super heavy. This is super heavy drawer.
Yeah.
Permission to open the gates to the caves.
We're going to the dungeon.
Okay, feel free to go down the corridor and me at the end. Thank you. You're welcome. Grazie. Oh, so sweet.
All this wine in these barrels. We got more wine, yep.
So that you can see all the
Yes, them big bottles have wine in them. Wine, wine, wine. Wine. Smells good down here. Y'all can't smell it.
It is nice also in the summer when it's so hot outside. Here it's always 55 or 60 cents for Pinot Noir, as you see. While the 21 before, of course, is the year when the juice was put inside. And the other letters are just the initials of the names of the vineyards. While if you see the letters C here, it means that this wine is intended to be sold at the castle, While here you see a V, and this is for the Sapuri Winery.
This part is locked up. It's the library of the old wine. Can't be drink no more. 100-year-old bottles.